Now that we've gone through this here and checked everything out for our routine Monday morning maintenance, let's see how it sounds. Let's see how it sounds. So I need some keys. Just got to have them in the car though. Inside. Don't even have to put them in. Let's see how it does here. That supercharger sounds nice, don't it? There you go. Let's have a look up in there. Getting all mellow here with the RPMs. Maintenance check was good. Got her cleaned up and presentable under there. You know, I might have to throw some grub up on there, you never know. Well, them engine block burritos get warmed up when you're on your way. So that will do it.